Alright, go for it.
What?
Just open the laundry room. So stupid.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I gotta get work done, okay?
Bro, I
gotta
came
get work
home
done.
from work and that's the first thing I see is
Dude, Jordan has moved in already. We'll plan a bed right there. Dude, what's gonna be hilarious is that if I'm like doing a freaking load on here and you're just using it, it's gonna be like,
I'm so behind on videos, I was like, this is the only way this is gonna work.
This is the funniest
the only
thing
way
ever.
it's gonna work in the laundry room. There's a room here and there's a freaking dining table downstairs.
Well, because I was thinking, I was like, okay, wait, I was like, if Jack has like people over and had like my whole PC set up on the floor, just chilling, I was like,
Jordan's just that nice. He wants to be that little of an inconvenience that he
Yeah,
moved
I was
himself in the laundry room.
I was like, let me just be out of the way, like completely.
Our rate is up in the air. Just doing a quick inspection of what we got to remove. Looking at all these bolts we got to take off. Whoever did this did an amazing job. Lots of bolts, lots of screws. Just looking underneath, seeing how everything is. Everything's nice and dry. Looks like he bottomed out a couple times, Mr. Jack right here. But getting ready to drop this portion to do the oil, drain the flush, and prepping everything to take off bottom pieces.
We're gonna go pick up the R8. We're gonna pack in clown car style. We got Dustin, Jordan, me, and Lance is the driver. I'm probably gonna take one for the team and go in the back. My man, Max Headroom.
Not the dude from like the 70s.
Yeah. All right, climb on in. We pack in 4 deep.
Oh, 4 deep.
If it's ever gonna rub, it's gonna be now.
I don't know, me and Jack.
We're pretty light, okay?
Yeah, we're pretty light back here. You know, it's surprisingly roomy back there. I'm not gonna lie. We've returned to the House of Auto. Dustin's never been here before. They got some cool stuff outside all the time.
Spec, I like the
Dude, this is a good spec. Freaking white on red. The venti and picking up the baby.
Look how they left the stickers on.
Yeah, we still got the prestigious Vorsteiner sticker right down there. Now, immediately, you guys are probably wondering, how come the big Vorsteiner wang isn't on there? Now, we ran into a big mishap. I don't know even who to blame, if I should blame Audi or not, but basically, the whole conversion piece that Audi was supposed to send in to allow us to mount the wing onto here and keep it sturdy, they sent me the wrong piece. They basically sent me the piece that's already on this car, and not the V10 Plus piece, which I don't have. So therefore, German Autohaus couldn't mount this wing no matter if they wanted to or not. So I guess this is gonna have to be a to be continued. This kind of sucks because the wing is probably the craziest part of the car. But I've always wanted to see the car with this crazy big carbon diffuser and no wing, because it's almost just a really subtle spaceship look in itself.
Is there very many builds that run just the diffuser and no wing?
Yeah, there's not that many. That's why it's hella cool. I've seen a couple and they look great, and it's cool to now, I guess, be one of them. But but yeah, so we're gonna have to be continued later on the wing segment for the car. So we're taking this piece back. This is literally already on my car. I don't know, someone messed up in the office. They sent me the wrong thing, so we're gonna have to wait later on. But we'll take that back home with us and probably return it. And oh, should I just peel this off right down there?
Is there one on the diffuser too?
Yeah, you go do the honors on the diffuser if it's there. I don't know. What do we think? I think we have less clearance now than we already had bad clearance before. I think we have even worse clearance because the other lip came up like that and tried to save you a lot here. This is like a sick duct
I don't know if it's
that the air just goes through.
Not a whole lot here.
Yeah. I love though how you could literally like shove your hand all the way through there. But yeah, this is actually really painful if I ever damage this, because this is full carbon and many thousands of dollars. Damn, he got that booty out.
Hey. Yeah, it's under here. Hold up.
Oh, he's gonna get the sticker? Dude, I should just cold start it right now.
You better not.
How to kill a Stonix.
I've never been in a supercar.
You never been in a supercar?
No, I've never been in a sports car actually.
No way. I could just take that.
Add that to the collection.
The
Yeah,
nicest car I've been in is an FRS.
you gotta be dude, you've ridden in my Skyline. That's nicer than an FRS.
E46 M3. Okay.
Okay, E46 M3. That's up there, but
You gotta treat him right.
yeah, I was like, ain't no way a FRS worse than an R32 GTR.
Okay, I forgot about that one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Shit.
We got camera reception right now. Whoa! Be on the road.
The missile is aimed to blow you out of the frame.
M3s just go through the tunnel and blast it. That was so painful. Y'all have no idea on video how painful that was. The V8s are taking over Seattle today. We're literally the odd one in the 10-cylinder. This is obnoxious. Don't say it. Don't say it. I like your GG. We're in a parking lot pre-meeting to roll into Weekfest, Weckfest, however you want to say it. It is basically Seattle's finest indoor convention tuner show that I'm going to be having the R8 and the Skyline in. This will be the first big event that I guess I'll be displaying this R8 at, especially with all the new stuff on it. We're letting the cars idle right now because we have to have a quarter tank of fuel to go in because it's an indoor event and they have fire arson warnings. So the car is just under half. So hopefully it can maybe idle off some fumes for me right now. Might go have to rip some laps back and forth here in Seattle. This thing is freaking nuts. This is a whole nother level of rap. Ooh, and it goes to the matte Samurai on this side, and he's got the rays on the Brembos. I hella mess with this car. All the boys are getting ready to roll over to the first. Oh, okay. We got freaking M's on M's. So many Beamers. Oh my God. Freaking more Beamers. 46, 36. And some more of the exotics. The R8s. Clean M3. And then Danny P's car. We got quite a freaking lineup rolling in. It's wild as hell. See you in the show. We're currently at Starbucks headquarters, FYI. You didn't know. And we're probably gonna be kicked out of Starbucks headquarters forever. UltraMotive car number 1 of 2 is posted up here in the Weekfest convention. It feels so good to be back at an indoor show. It's been forever since I've had lighting this good to display a car. UltraMotive car number 2, chauffeured by the one and only, is set up now in its spot next to some accompanying friends over there. Some other exotics. Are you guys coming in later? You guys got here early.
I didn't know he was see me, bro.
What's up? What's up?
The second time I see him.
I don't know who you are, but what's up?
Well, apparently they know who I am.
He's like an
Hello.
animal type person. He wants to become like the next animal person, you know, like he has
Face to face with the most famous animals, you know, like Steve Irwin, but better.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you had me lost. So he wants to become the next animal person?
Yeah, like he wants to
Like-
become like, you know, like the
Or like-
cause you know how there's like
the Tarzan man? You know the Tarzan man?
Yeah, the Tarzan man?
Yeah.
So that's gonna be him?
Yeah, he wants to be like that.
But he wants to become bigger than that.
Like better. You know,
Okay.
you see me
I
do
want to be like you.
Okay, interesting.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Excellent.
You have your car here?
Yeah, I have 2 cars over in there.
Damn, bro.
2 cars.
Yeah, that's crazy. Can I get a picture?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, the animal man. You're gonna remember the name.
Okay, I'm gonna remember you as the animal man. Weak Fest crowd not disappointed already. Danny's car somehow has a leaf stuck right in between the grill piece right here and then the underlay of the carbon.
How we will get this out?
If you open the hood, it'll come up with it. You can't just open the hood and let it out. It's literally stuck in between 2 pieces.
Omar, you got toothpicks, bro?
We need like tweezers.
It's part of the car now.
It is. Dude, how did it get in there? That's my question. Like, where, what?
That's why it deserves to stay.
Dude, I don't know. It's pretty noticeable. It doesn't deserve crap.
To get in there.
Yeah, he worked his way in there.
Yeah, do you have any?
I can go local.
Dude, that would be amazing. Thank you so much.
We're gonna get this leaf out of here one way or another. We got Danny's car all the way up here for him for this exact show. So this thing's gotta be flawless so that he could take home some awards. Oh. Oh, no! It just split off.
Oh.
We're gonna have to go 1 piece at a time. No way. The Milwaukee, oh my God. We're really trying. Okay, it's lifting. Oh, dude, it's just gonna keep splitting off. We're just gonna go piece by piece.
Yeah.
Well, I got the package, so eventually it'll just suck all
Eventually you'll get all pieces off of it together. This is crazy what we do for that thing. Show you guys some of the highlight cars so far that we're noticing. Can't ignore this. This is Austeezy's UFO FD RX-7, which has been in the works for a long time, and it's so beautiful to see it fully done. And you got Nikolai's car. That's probably the most baller S13 that you can make an S13. All right, so what's the coolest car here?
Coolest car here.
The IS?
Yeah.
This is probably the coolest IS to be out there on Blitz 03s and a freaking donut. You got the Nardi in there as well.
Ganador.
Yeah, Ganador mirrors.
Carbon
Freaking,
Kevlar.
oh, Altezza rain covers.
Yeah.
Right up there.
Bright bricks. Zeta 1 with the carbon Kevlar.
So this is like full JDM. Is he on 326 lugs as well?
Yeah.
Dude, there's so much detail. You would just never notice this, like on the freeway, that this is a freaking money pit car.
If you don't like look,
Yeah,
like
you'll never know.
you never know. And then yeah, and that's a Vertex hood spoiler, which 90% of IS people don't even know that exists.
We gotta appreciate the little wheels on the Skyline. Oh, 15s? 15s? Dude, these are the standard like Miata wheel size on a Skyline. That is sick. Found the flavorful Camber boys. Yo, I gotta be that one guy, like, how do you see?
I don't.
Yo, what the fuck?
I absolutely Dude, I went to Tennessee and got like one banner, then I got another banner, and then the next day I got another banner. And
You're
then
like, I can't
another.
say no, I gotta support every homie.
Yeah. Gotta support all the homies.
Only you, Luke.
Yep. Had to do it.
My homie's tires are dripping. They are soaked.
Got tire shine?
That is some tire shine and a half. I love this. This, like, how can you hate a Type R when it looks like this? This is god tier. Damn, that low-key scared me at first. I thought that was a dude. Cannot miss the most outrageous S14 with an RB25, I want to say, or RB20. Single turbo, full Galaxy paint all the way around. sparkling everywhere. There's a lot of blue in here. There's a lot of blue. Yo, I didn't know you were gonna be here.
I didn't know either.
Well, it is part-time drift car, part-time show car.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's the beauty of air suspension.
Yeah, it's crazy what the right lighting will do.
No, yeah, on photos, no one will ever know.
Yeah, exactly.
Ever had any complications. Dang, now I should have brought the cotton candy machine. I should have. We'll bring 3 next year. This looks black at first, but it's actually a blue on blue setup, E90 M3. Now wait, there's another combo I must display. If we just walk over a little bit, we have yellow on yellow. People seem to like to roll with the same colors out here. My car's right over there. It's so close, yet so far. It would be sick if they were parked next to each other. Dude, I almost want to just somehow move it and bring it over. But I guess this is what I'm destined to be when I have kids.
Yeah, when you have kids, dude, make an ad
We
van,
go from
bring it
ad
out.
van to dad van. That is entirely what this is. Oh yeah. With the trunk mounted wing. What's up, man?
Grandpa drive your car in here?
Did my grandpa drive my car?
Yeah.
If I'm the grandpa, then yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm glad you know you're old.
Yeah, thank you.
You're watching and editing your videos at WeekFest.
Yeah, bro, check out the WeekFest trailer is coming.
Oh.
Bro, what? You already have this all.
Wait,
like,
you
in
literally
here?
have roll-in footage from this morning on here.
already like cut up and stuff. Oh my
That's
God.
Ready.
That's
So my
so
plan is
funny.
today is that I'm gonna shoot for an hour and a half. I'm gonna try to shoot this entire show in an hour and a half. And by the time I leave here at 6 o'clock, there will be a WeekFest trailer on Instagram by 6 o'clock.
The freaking instant upload. That's gonna be crazy. The turnaround time on that. Oh. Oh. Oh, he's cranking it over there. Dude, his trunk is just bouncing too. This is why I love lowriders. He's got to make sure his trunk's fully closed. Yeah, his trunk ain't bouncing open anymore. Rolling out of here. I'll see y'all on the other side. Oh, y'all bumping in there? I see your heads bobbing. They're enjoying the Bang & Olufsen Audi sound system. Damn, we got a bit of a crowd on roll out here. Oh boy. And we're out. Can I spin the wheel?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, it's technically on free sticker. What's it gonna be? Oh, no way. Too generous. He's too freaking generous.